Hey YouTube, today I'll be working on my 1985 Corvette. Today I will be changing the bread basket from this flat bread basket to a actual regular Corvette factory bread basket. The first thing I'm gonna do is take the two screws out up here for the top of the dash, so then it makes it easier so we can see all this. Take off your dash pad. There's one bolt on this end, and there are 3 bolts. There's one there, one here, and one there. Okay, so I got my whole dash out. To do this job, you have to take out the fuse panel, dash panel to do this. And also to take out your dash pad, you need to take out basically the whole dash to do this. So now I have these 2 screws up top holding it in place, and now I have to do the bottom ones, which are down inside the dash. So I have an extension on a ratchet because they're ratchet head bolts. It's a 7mm. Now I have to go and have the screw on the ratchet, put it on there, and tighten down the bolt. Okay, so I finally got the dash put all back together. I got my bread basket in. Check it out. Finally got this car back pretty much to factory condition. At least the dash is factory condition. So as usual, give us a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Greg_Dibsy. Thanks for watching.